Hey everybody, welcome to Creative Ramblings. Today I am going to show you how to make these 3D paper star ornaments and how to turn one of them into a tree topper. So here's what you're going to need to start this project. You are going to need a paper trimmer. I find this works really well with both a cutting blade and a scoring blade. You're also going to need a scissors, a hot glue gun, a pencil, and some paper. This is a fun pack of colorful patterned cardstock. You can also use regular patterned paper or just any paper you have. I picked out a few colors that I really like that go with my bright white modern Christmas tree this year. I'm going to start by cutting 2 squares. For the ornaments, my squares are 4 inches each. For the tree topper, I used a full 12-inch piece of cardstock. You're going to need 2 squares for each ornament or tree topper that you make. Once you have squares cut, it's time to start folding them. Now the first method I'm going to show you is with the scoring blade here. I am just making score marks down the middle and from corner to corner on one of the squares. Now you can use this scoring blade or you can fold it by hand. Either way, you're going to need to crease both squares. So if doing this by hand, you would just take one of your squares and fold it in half. Crease it really good and then fold it in half the other way, and then fold it from corner to corner, flip it around and do it on corner to corner again. So both of your squares are creased in the same way and ready for the next step. Now grab your pencil, you're going to need it for this step, and your scissors. Starting on one side, you're going to fold a corner over to the middle diagonal crease. Now take your pencil and mark that spot right there where the 2 creases meet. And you're just going to rotate this a quarter turn and do this on each side of your square. Now we're going to take our scissors and cut along the crease right up to that pencil mark you made. Do this on each side of the paper. And remember to repeat this same process on your other square. So you have 2 identical squares here. Now it's time to make the points of our star. You're going to fold in the corners, creating 2 flaps that together form a triangle for the point of the star. Go around and do this on all sides of the square. Now it's time to turn this piece into a 3D star. So to do that, we're going to use our hot glue gun. You can also use a tape roller for this as well if you want something that's not so hot. Add a little bit of glue to one of the flaps, and then take the other flap and push it over the top. This is going to give you almost a cone on one end of your star. Go around and do this for each peak on both sheets of paper. Now that you have both sides of your star completed, we're going to secure them together with a little bit of hot glue. And that is how you make a paper star ornament. Now for these, you could add a little hanger to them. I just like to place them around my tree. And to make the tree topper, you just cut a hole into the base of one of the stars and you can set that right on top of your top branch of your tree. Alright, if you like this video, if you like simple, easy crafts, be sure to subscribe to Creative Ramblings so you don't miss my next video. I'm here every week sharing something new. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.